Well, MNS chief Raj Thackeray was booked by the police on Tuesday after his party workers continued to vandalize toll booths in Mumbai and other parts of Maharashtra. Thackeray was booked in the 96th such case against him for his provocative speech on Sunday, ordering his workers to vandalize toll plazas where they're asked to pay taxes. Over 100 MNS workers have been arrested across the state since Sunday. Additional security has been provided at toll booths. Thackeray has accused contractors of overcharging citizens without repairing potholed roads or providing amenities, and continuing to do so after recovering the construction cost. The contractors deny this. The ruling Congress NCP government has warned of strict action against those behind the violence.
कालचं जे आंदोलन झालं ते राज ठाकरे यांनी नवी मुंबईमध्ये जे भाषण केलेलं होतं, ज्याचं प्रसार माध्यमातून आणि इतर सोशल मीडियातून जे बातम्या प्रसारित झालेल्या होत्या त्याच्यावरूनच हे आंदोलन झालं असं पोलिसांना वाटतं। याबाबत आम्ही तपास करत आहोत आणि यामुळे त्यांच्यावरती गुन्हा दाखल केलेला आहे। एकूण 17 जणांच्या आरोपीमध्ये त्यांनाही आम्ही घेतलेला आहे।